Hello, lovely primary 4 pupils of Torchbearers Academy. Good day. How are you all doing? I'm excited to take you on mathematics today. And our first topic is number line. Number what? Line. Now, in the course of this topic or this lesson, we will be learning how to use number line to solve basic addition and subtraction problems. Now, what is a number line? A number line is a horizontal line. Okay, that's a horizontal line whose center is what? Zero. Whose center is what? Zero. Okay, and divides into equal spaces. That is, the line divides into what? Equal what? Spaces. And numbers on the left hand side are negative, or are called negative numbers or negative integers, while numbers on the right hand side are called positive numbers or positive integers. Okay, so we have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, there's space, you have 5 depending on how long the line is. Okay, here we have 1, we have 2, we have 3 here, we have 4, we have what? 5, and so on. Now we remember we said numbers on the left hand side are negative what? Numbers. So you have to indicate that they are negative numbers by putting the minus sign or negative sign in front of each number. We have -1 there, -2 there, -3 there, and there. But for those numbers at the right hand side which are positive, you don't need to necessarily put the positive sign in front of it. Reason is because the way they are, they already show that they are what? Positive what? Numbers. Is that clear? Beautiful. Now today we are going to look at some examples. Now it is important to note that number line can be used to calculate both addition questions or problems, and of course subtraction problems. Okay, both addition problems and subtraction problems. But in the course of this class, we will be focusing basically on addition problems. For example, we are asked to add 2 plus 2 on a number line. Remember, on a number line. Now if you want to solve 2 plus 2 normally, it's very simple and direct. 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus what? 2. Together you get what? 4. But this case, they are asking us to use a number line. So how do we go about this? Very simple. So I want you to follow me. Make sure you are with your pen and notebook. Is that clear? So the first thing you do is write your solution. Yes, beautiful. Write your solution. Good. Now, as torchbearers pupils, you know you're supposed to leave one line after this. Then write the question again. 2 plus what? 2. Good. Now, after this, we draw our what? Number line and identify the center point, which is what? 0. Then you divide the line into equal what? Spaces. Now, I'm using my finger, so mine is not very straight. So with the help of your ruler, yours will be very what? Perfect. Is that clear? Now we number, then we have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 there, 5, we have 6 there. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 there. Now remember I said these are negative numbers, so you indicate the what? The negative sign there. They are negative what? Numbers. Is that clear? Now remember our question says 2 plus what? 2. To solve this, you have to know what these individual numbers and sign stand for or represent. 2 plus 2. This first 2 tells you where to start from. It's more like the starting point. I'm going to Ring Road. Where do I start my journey from? Okay, now this sign here tells you which direction to go. Okay, should I turn left or should I turn right? Now this last 2 here tells you where to stop. STOP, stop. Is that clear? Now imagine we have 2 plus 2, our center point, then our numbers equally what? Distributed. Good. You have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course you have your 6 there. Remember your negative signs in front, showing that they are negative what? Numbers. Okay. Now, remember we said the first number tells you where to start from. Now imagine Okoro is a person. Okay. Given this number to solve, or given this question to solve, Okoro will draw his line and stand on the first number, which is what? 2. So Okoro is standing on 2 now. Now it looks at the sign in between. The sign is what? Positive, that's plus. Plus tells us to go where? To the what? The right hand side. Remember we said negative numbers are on the left hand side, positive numbers are where? On the right hand side. So we move to the what? Right hand side. Now how many times are we moving? This tells us 2 times. Beautiful. So we move 1, then move 2. So we stopped at what number? Number what? 4. That is our final answer. So I would like to put this and arrange it more neatly, okay, so that you can see it properly. So I will not have to add Okoro there again. Is that clear? So we have 3, we have 3, we have 4, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have, remember I told you that it can be more depending on how long your line is. Okay, remember always indicate the negative sign. Okay, now you stood at 2, we moved how many times? 2 times. So we stopped at where? 4. So that's our answer. And we're going to take another example. Let's say 3 plus 3. Very simple. Remember, the first number tells us where to start or stand. The sign tells us which direction to go, and the last number tells us where to what? Stop. Now let's do this together. Remember, you draw your line, identify the center, which is your 0, then you divide the line into equal spaces. Is that clear? Divide the line into equal what? Spaces. Then you number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you are doing this with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always remember to fix in the sign, negative sign, to show that this number is what? Negative. Okay, now remember the question was 3 plus what? 3. 3 plus what? 3. Okay, now you stand where? At what? 3. Beautiful. So you stand here. Which side are we going to? Exactly, the right hand side, because it is what? Positive. How many times are we moving? 3 times. So we have 1, 2, 3. Where did we stop? We stopped at number what? 6. So our answer here is what? Equal to 6. You can also confirm your answer by simply counting. 3 plus 3 is supposed to give you what? 6, isn't it? So we are very what? Correct. Now with this, we've come to the end of today's class, and by God's grace in our next class, we will be focusing on subtraction using number line, or subtraction on number line. Okay, an assignment has been dropped for you in the PDF file. Please ensure you do the assignment and submit. Thank you. Ensure you stay at home, wash your hands regularly, and stay safe. Love you all.